So Jackie, we're on our way to 112 Oakwood Ave in Balaclava here in Dunedin. Listed this property a couple of weeks ago, but I've been working with these vendors for a long time. I got in contact with them well over a year ago. They were looking for a property. They told me they weren't looking at selling, so I worked with them for a few months. I had a quiet listing come up, got them through it, they loved it, and then they made an offer, and they've been under offer for the last 6 months. They then got in touch and said, Luke, can you please come sell our property for us? So it's been pretty cool working with them, and it's kind of the best part of this job is when it all comes together like this and your vendors become friends. There are three main attributes to the property. Very, very cool little property. Down the bottom we have a double garage, which is sometimes rare in Dunedin on the side of a hill. People want views, but then the off-street parking can be quite hard. Up the top we have a man/woman cave, games room, utility room. Very cool up there. Large deck, great views, got heaps to offer. And then right in the middle we have the cream of the cake, the 2-bedroom characteristic home. Heaps to offer, fully double glazed, cozy, views, you name it, just ready to move in and make a first home buyer or anyone real happy.